Hi friends. How are you? Hope you are fine. Do you like maths? Let's learn some tricks to learn maths easily. It's very useful to the students who struggle to learn maths. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. In this video, we are going to discuss some tricks to remember multiplication table. Here we go. Let's start with 1. Multiplication table of 1 is very easy. Every number multiplied by 1 results the same number itself. Next one is 2 times table. 2 times table is comparatively an easy one. The only effort is remember the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Then draw a table of 2 rows and 5 columns. Fill the rows with our pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Repeat the same. Now consider the first row. Place 0 at the tens digit of each number, except the last one. Place 1 there. Place the same 1 at the tens digit of each numbers in the second row, except the last one. Place 2 there. Finally, this is our 2 times table. Next one is 3 times table. Now we are going for the trick to memorize 3 times table. Draw a 3 by 3 matrix. That is, a table of 3 rows and 3 columns. Start from the bottom to top. Write 1, 2, 3 in the first column. Again, 4, 5, 6 in the second column. And 7, 8, 9 in the third column. At last, write a 0 outside. Next task is to fill the tens digit. Place 0 at the tens digit of each number in the first row. Place 1 in the second row. And place 2 in the third row. Finally, place 3 at the tens digit of the number written outside. Here the awesome 3 times table. This trick will help us to memorize the 6 times table too. Let us discuss it in the next video. If this video is helpful, please like and share. Thank you for watching.